Why is using OAuth or authentication the wrong solution for how agents solve problems on behalf of users? Another issue with that is that if there's an elevated privilege issue, for example, let's say someone has account admin in Snowflake. If you start asking an agent questions and it's authenticating as you, that means it has account admin privileges and it can do anything in your Snowflake account, which is pretty dangerous because agents are deterministic. It can misinterpret what you're telling it and do really bad things in your account. So you really need to separate the privileges you have for when an agent's acting on behalf of you versus your privileges when you're doing things as a human. So the solution to this is to solve the problem at the authorization level. And what that means is you define privileges for your users on what they can and can't access, but do that in a way that does not require you to define it specifically in each system and give them an account. So when the agent connects on behalf of them, it can connect as itself, and Immuta can vend it the authorizations that represents that user's access. This allows you to separately scope and avoid that account admin problem, but also allows you to avoid creating accounts in all these systems for all those users and scope what they're able to do as the agent is acting on behalf of them. This also allows you to understand when queries were run by the agent versus the user and vice versa, giving you a clean audit trail. Furthermore, we can inform the agent of what the user does and doesn't have access to in terms of their semantic layer, the context that they're building these questions from, helping those questions be more accurate or the responses to those questions more accurate.